So I guess this is it. I am 17 years, 110 days today. It is the 29th of August 2019 and tomorrow I am leaving for the UK. I thought it'd be nice to document what I look like and who I am at this time and moment, and do something like this again once I come back, just to see how much I've changed in the course of 10 months. So this is the sketchbook I've lately used to collect ideas, and this is a journal I've used to keep memories throughout the summer. My hands and arms are still constantly covered in pains, so I guess that's something that hasn't changed since I was 15. And The Picture of Dorian Gray is still one of my favourite books, only now another one is sitting right beside it. And there's a new author I've discovered from which I can't seem to read books all in one go, and I need to take a week's long break right around the middle. I have a fringe now. I've had it for over a year now and I absolutely adore it. I love how much character it gives to my face alongside my makeup, which has just become another form of self-expression. These are the bracelets I'm wearing around my wrist as a constant reminder of the people I love most. Tomorrow's the big day. I'm just as afraid as I am excited, I believe, and I'm extremely curious to see what life has reserved for me. So I guess that's something only time will tell us. I'll keep you updated.